How to use MacBook storage instead of iCloud storage. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you will learn how to use MacBook storage instead of iCloud storage. Let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, go to Apple menu and click on System Settings from the drop down menu. Now a new window will appear on your Mac. Click on your iCloud ID at the top. Then select iCloud from the sidebar menu. And then select iCloud driver. Here, switch off desktop and documents folder. Now, click on turn off. And then click on done button. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.